Hi everyone, welcome to this new video lecture of AutoCAD. In this lecture, we will continue our discussion regarding the section of solid when the section by a plane perpendicular to horizontal plane. And for this, I have taken a question regarding this hexagonal prism. A hexagonal prism of base 30 mm, axis 70 mm given has an edge of its base on the HP. So one of the edge of the hexagon will be on the HP with axis parallel to the vertical plane. Axis should be parallel to vertical plane, and one of the edge should be on the HP. So if you think this is our vertical plane, and this is horizontal plane is there, and the hexagonal we need to draw in such a way that it should be one of the edge on the HP should be kept like this. Okay, so like this we need to draw the this is the base of the hexagon, and this is first part of the question, and after here incline 45 degree to the HP. This is second part. This is the part of second part of the question, and third part of the question is very interesting here. It is cut by an auxiliary vertical plane inclined 45 degree to the vertical plane. So this is the third part. Okay, third stage of the question, and passing through a point on the axis. It should be passed through the point of axis 15 mm from the top of the end. Draw its sectional front view and often the true shape of the section. So two things we need to identify, but the question is given a little bit lengthier. We need to do a lot of things here. Procedures are there. So first of all, we need to go for the orthographic view. In the orthographic, we need to draw the top view and front view. So if you see here the answer given, so this is the first stage of the answer, and this is the second stage, and finally this one need to be done in the third stage, sectional view. So in the first stage we need to draw the top view and front view is there. Both need to be done in the first stage itself, and second stage we need to draw the inclination part, and third we can go for the sectional part. These are the portions are there we need to draw. So let's start in the AutoCAD. So AutoCAD, first of all, I'll go for the MB setup, paper space no, metric and scale factor 1. This is 420 and this is 297. Yeah, so I have drawn a, this is the reference line, you can say page border, and for here I will draw a reference line. Okay, so reference line I have drawn. Now next thing we need to draw the hexagon. Let's select the polygon here, number of sides 6, and this is select the edge of this, and now what the base edge is there, 30. So I'll draw a 30 mm here, and from here we need to draw this vertical projector lines from each of this corner point, and height is how much is given, axis height, yeah, 70 mm is there. So 70 mm height. Again from here we can just join it here, and we can close it here, and similarly from this point also we need to join. Okay, so this is the front view, and this is the top view of the hexagonal prism. In the first step we can complete this basic steps of this, and immediately we need to just mark the text of this object. So we can mark it here. As a prism we need to mark 2 points. So I'll start from here, a comma 1. So text it will take some time. We need to mark it everything. Without text we cannot go for the next step, like clarification will be not there for ourselves. This is D, E point, and this is our F comma 6. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 A. Okay, so here it will come like A dash, so base 1 A. Okay, A dash comma here B dash. Similarly this is C dash comma F dash, and this is T dash comma E dash. So these are the base of hexagon. Now top of the hexagon again similarly 1 dash comma 2 dash, and this is 1 dash comma 2 dash, yeah, correct. Then 3 dash comma 6 dash, and this is about 4 and 5. Okay, 4 dash comma, this is your 5 dash. and now we can give the reference line here, xy point, xy reference line. Yeah, this is the basic standard part we have completed. Then now the next, yeah, dimension also we can mark it, linear dimension, select the dimension from here to here, and what is the dimension? 70 height is there, so I have mentioned that one. Next, immediately we need to give the base edge of this hexagon, so I get straight to this dimension, the same line it should be there. Okay, now next thing is just select this front view and copy this one from this base. Just copy it and keep it some distance here, keep like this, enter it. Now this actually here AB was not copied, so just copy and paste it here again. Now what I'll do, this need to be rotated with an angle of 45 degree from the axis, so I have taken an angle of 45 degree as I have drawn there. And the next thing is what you need to do, this one I can just extend it to the last, and if you want to measure the angle between this axis and this one, you can also mark it here. After that we need to just project from each of the corner point to the vertical projector lines to downward. This is also most carefully you need to draw, yeah, from here. And this is another one corner point, and this is topmost corner point, and this is another one point is there. Just you need to draw the vertical projector and horizontal projector lines to downward, and remaining the extra part we can just trim it by this. Yeah, so few things we have done, front view, top view, and this inclination view. So this is one of the steps we have completed. Now what I'll do, I'll just draw this hexagon, base hexagon and top hexagon here, what I got here. So for that I'll change its color. I'll go some different color, yellow color, let's select it. Whether it is visible or not I don't know, but I'm changing its color, or we can go for black color, is already there. Let's go for green color. Okay, finally we'll go for red color. This is, I think it will be not visible. Let's see, just I'm drawing the hexagon here, or else we can go for same red color here without any thickness. Just I'll draw like this, normal. Yeah, so this is the base hexagon, and the top hexagon will be started from here, and just join all these points. So these are the points completed. Yeah, so base hexagon, top hexagon completed. Now the next part is, let's see the question here. Sectional plane. The sectional plane cuts the object from top of the point to 15 mm distance, and through the axis it is moving, and with an angle of 45 degree. So much things are given. So that means we need to take a distance from here, from the top of this 15 mm. See, 15 mm from the top of the end, and with an angle of 45 degree to vertical plane. Two things are there. So what I'll do for this, I'll go for a line. Okay, let it select the line and just draw the line. This side how much we require, 15, and tab minus 45 I'll give. Okay, sorry, minus 45, that side it went. So again 15 distance, tab 45. Okay, minus 45, this is 45, then this is 0 degree. No, I want to take it bottom side. Okay, anyway, so what I'll do is just simply I just can draw this line in this straight way. Okay, okay, now angle is actually 135, 90 degree plus 45 degree, 135. That's why reverse case. Anyway, so I'll enter only 15 what I require. So this is the 15 distance here. Okay, from here, from the top to 15 mm in the axis line itself. Now this need to be drawn vertically downward, and I'll draw up to here. Actually it should be cross the reference line. Anyway, and one more line I supposed to draw here from this center point, and I can join up to here. Okay, now this is the point here. Okay, we got this point. This is the joining point. What do we require? Now actually through this it's supposed to be like this is the axis point, this is the axis point. So 15 mm from the top, we got it. Now the thing is we need to draw a sectional plane which is supposed to be cross the object with an angle of 45 degree. So what I'll do, let's draw this line here, enter, and this line make a rotation of this with an angle of, you know, this side I'll give an angle of, you know, 45. Yeah, now this one we can just give a thickness of this and we can change it to sectional plane. Yeah, we got it in this way like this. Now this is the sectional plane object is there. Now we need to project the line from each of the point, okay, to vertically upward. So this is the one point where it is bisecting. So draw the object here. So meanwhile we need to mark a lot of points, actual text here. So here also I just can mark up to the top. This is one point which is crossing this one. Now this is already done. This is also up to here, it is there. So no need to draw it again, but I have drawn this one. This is one line, this is one line. Where it is bisecting the points, we need to just cut it. So this is one point. Okay, next this one already there in the reference center line itself, not required now. I will go for this. Yeah, this is supposed to be cross this one. Okay, next this is one and this one. Yeah, so these are the points supposed to be cross. So this is hexagon completed. So up to here I have drawn. Okay, these are the points we are supposed to join now. Okay, now carefully we need to keep in mind what are the things I have drawn. Now what I'll do, I'll just increase the thickness of this and select the line. Now where I need to start, let's see here. If you want to start from here, let's see this one. So this point I need to suppose to start. Let's start from here, join the second one. Second point, if you see this point, sorry, first cutting point, second cutting point, this one. So I'll join here, second, and now it is already third point is here. Then up to here it will come, and this is the next one. And I hope the next one is this, and the part is this completed. Remaining other things need to be actually trimmed. So few things we can keep in inside and other things we can just trim it everything. This part also can be trimmed, but we can keep it. Okay, this is the inside part is there, that need to be hatched. So I'll go for the hatching. So before hatching we'll just change it, color keep it same, thickness will change it and go for hatching, you know. Yeah, these are the parts supposed to be hatched. Now you can just better at that time also, that time itself we could have given the same thing. I have changed the angle, thickness also, let's keep it a little bit high. Yeah, this is the, you know, front view hatching part, and this suppose should not be highlighted. So for that we'll do one thing, we'll just draw the line from here to here, from here to here. We'll draw one line, and this line actually not properly drawn. I'll just join it here, and then this one, what happened? Okay, we'll join up to like this. This is not required. This one supposed to be here. Okay, now line, L enter. In this way also you can just join just from here to here, because that is not visible. That's why that need to be thin line, you can say. And this line I not required now. I can just delete it, and this one also keep it like this. Let's see how this is front view. Yeah, front view you can see that we have done properly, and this one actually I can drop to here. Let's see. Yeah, correct only. So actually this should not be from here. I'll keep it here. Okay, and one more line. What I'll do, just from here to here I'll draw a thin line. Yeah, first from front view we have completed. Now next things we need to draw, top also we need to be highlighted, and apart from that we need to go for the true shape of the object. So top view, from here we need to start again all these points one by one, so that we can draw. Okay, so what I'll do for this also, let increase the thickness and go for the line. Now start from here, first point, second, and this is third. After that I hope for this will be here up to this, so we can join it. 1 minute, that line. Yeah, so next is we need to join up to here, and remaining it will be there as usual, and from here I'll start again, sixth point, and this is the shape of this. This will be dotted line. I'll leave it, and this will be highlighted from here to up to the next one, and this will be also highlighted. Let's keep it up to here, and this also from here to here I'll keep it, and this is already there. Okay, and this part will be dotted line, so I'll go for selection line, load type, just dash line, select some dash line, okay, okay. So this line can be given dash line, that is inside part is there. Yeah, mostly I think we have done. This line, one more line is there actually, that need to be drawn up to here. So select this line, select from here and complete up to here. Okay, and okay, so again if you want to give the text, we can give also text, but I'll show you how to draw the true shape of this object from here. So what I'll do, I'll just select this one, I'll go for offset O, enter, so, and I'll take a height, some distance, I'll keep it here, let here 45, enter. Okay, now this is actually the reference line I have drawn, not the section line, keep in mind. So this one we can just keep it by layer, and I'll just keep it the normal line style, and from each of this point, I need to draw the, yeah, this also. Now we can change it by layer, we can just change it to color and select the line. From here we need to F8, I'll take a height of some distance, I'll take it, how much I'll take it, let 90, and tab 30 degree. Okay, 30 degree it will be there, or what is the angle of this? Let me check it once. Yeah, 45, then it should be, this is 90, this is one more, Control Z, delete this, otherwise line, select the point here and go for 90, tab, yeah, 45. Now this copy this one and move this point from this to next, again this one and this. I hope all these 5 points need to be, let's see once. Yeah, first point, yeah, that's why we need to mark the point. One of the things, PQ point, I'll mark it here. Here it is P, and this one Q, PQ, this is, I hope, center line. This is not required then. From which point that joining was came, for that point only need to be marked P, Q, and center point is given, you know, see, dash, not required, RS, P, Q, RS, 4 only, correct. P, Q, here it is R, and here it is S, okay. Yeah, so all these 4 points I have drawn the line. This is then not required right now for us, so no need to draw that one. And the border point, we can just little bit extend bottom. Yeah, if it is required, we can just extend the line here. That's why I've made it a little bit down. So what you need to draw now, select the circle, and from this reference line, because this is the next reference line I have taken, so from this reference line, just to measure the distance from here to there, and select the circle, move the center point from this point to here, because both are same, this point and this point same center point we have taken, and go just give a point here, P, PO, enter, and make the point here. Again just move the circle center point, first one completed here, second one I will go for this, okay, not this one, sorry, next to this, carefully need to mark it, this is the center point, and make a distance from here to here. Now copy, move it, second point to this one, yeah, go for the point PO, enter, carefully need to draw, again same center point, just move, changes the distance from here to here. Now again just change its position and extend all this line, you know, little bit, it will be big, so extend, we can extend up to last. Now here I'll give another one point here. Now second one completed, now come to the third one. Third one is this one, third one, I just select this, now move it to here, center point, change it up, PO, enter, yeah, again the last one, which point, S point, S point is from here to the top one, this, again just move it to from center point from there to here. Now we'll get the final point of this, okay. So these are the points supposed to be identified and need to be joined. And finally I'll go for this, change its color, thickness increase, select the line, and now finally just we need to join all these points. Very simple, just to join all these points, yeah, and other things we can just trim it. And finally what we need to do, this is the true shape of the object what we are seeing from the front view, and from the top side we can see this object. So I'll go for hatching and just hatch it here. We can give some angle of 45, yeah. So this is the true shape of the object. Now text, a lot of text is there, what you need to mark it. So it's a top true shape, I'll write here, otherwise true shape, and this is our horizontal trace, this is H, and similarly other points need to be marked, okay. This is H actually, and similarly if you want to copy this, Ctrl Z, Ctrl C, Ctrl V, yeah. Now we'll change it, this is Y1, and this is our X1 point. And similarly we need to mark all these points also, how we have marked there. We have to go for P type, enter, and select any of those, yeah, all these points are similar now. Now this is the actually answer of this question. Let's see what are the missing things are there. Distance here 15, angle 45, and some other texts are there. Yeah, that thing we can just give it, and one more linear dimension from here to, sorry, it is align dimension from here to here, it is 15, and angle everywhere given it is. So I hope you understood how to draw this kind of section of solid when this kind of complicated question given, and you know, we need to draw it one by one steps, and after drawing one by one step we need to mark each and individual points carefully. Though I am skipping few points here, but while you draw the diagram, keep all the points one by one so that it will be not confused for you. You can easily draw the diagram. So if you are having any kind of query regarding this, you can give a comment on the comment box. Thank you.